How to make money on IC Words. In today's video, I'm going to review how to make money on IC Words, the tips and the tricks you have to know, okay? And some of the company they pay dividend and some of them who doesn't pay dividend, okay? So I would like you to watch the video today because by the end of this video, you're going to know all tips and tricks to make money on IC Words, okay? So I don't want to waste my time. Let's go straight to the point. Okay, so I will take you straight to your IC Words app. Okay, so when you log into your IC Words app, there are lots of stuff there. Okay, so I will take you to MTN shares. Okay, so when you open to MTN shares, okay, you will see that the price of MTN shares is 4 pesos. Okay, that price that show there is not the actual price of MTN stock. Okay, that price is historical price. Okay, for those who were having the stocks already, that's the amount they sell it. Okay, so it doesn't mean that if anyone also have the stock, they'll also sell it at the same price. No, the price is not stable. It changes anytime. Okay, so when I say historical price, it means that, okay, I will take this bag as a stock. Okay, so let's say this is the MTN stock, so I have it and I want to sell it 5 Ghana cedis. Okay, so when I said that this bag is 5 Ghana cedis and someone wants to buy this bag, then the person will say that, oh, I won't get 5 Ghana cedis. I will give you 4 cedis, 20 pesos. Then when I accepted that I will sell this by 4 cedis, 20 pesos, then it will record on top that those who have the stock previous one, they sell it 4 cedis, 20 pesos. Okay, but that doesn't mean that when someone also have the same bag like this and the person will sell it, the person will also going to sell it 4 cedis, 20 pesos. Okay, so that's how stocks work. Okay, so let me take you to details. When you look at details, you will see buy 4 cedi 90 pesos, sell 4 cedis 20 pesos. Okay, so for buy price, it means that those who want to buy the stocks, that's the price they want to buy. Okay, they said that they will buy it 4 cedis 19 pesos. But those who have the stock that they will sell it 4 cedis 20 pesos, they doesn't accept the price the buyers has bring it. Okay, so that's why it has recorded on top that this is the price those who have the stocks want to sell their stock. Okay, so the price the buyers has given to those who want to sell, the sellers doesn't accept it. Okay, that's why you see the buy price as 4 cedis 19 pesos and then the sell price is 4 cedis 20 pesos. Okay, and let me take you to different stock also. Let me take you to Goy. Okay, what the let me take you to farmer. Okay, so when you click on farmer here, you see that farmer, the price of farmer stock is 8 cedis. Okay, so you see the sell price is 8 Ghana cedis and then the buy price is 0.00. Someone will ask why? Because those who have the stock want to sell it 8 Ghana cedis. Okay, but no one has come to give no one has come to buy the stock. So no one has given the price they want to buy the stock. That's why the buy price is 0.00. No one has predicted that they will buy this stock maybe 7 cities or 6 cities. No one has done that. That's why the price place shows 0.00. Okay, let me take you to GCB Bank. GCB also, you will see that the buy price, when you look at the buy price, it shows 20 cedis, 11 pesos, but the sell price is 0.00. Yes, because the 20 cedis, 11 pesos is the price the buyers want to buy, but no one wants to sell their stock. That's why the sell place has shown 0.00. Those who have the stock doesn't predict any amount they want to sell their stock. That's why the sell price show 0.00. So if you want to buy stock on GCB right now, I hope you are not going to get it because no one wants to sell his or her stock. Okay, let me take you also to different one. Okay, let's move on to total. Okay, so when you click on total, hey, for total their stock is expensive. You will see that the price is 40 cedis, 29 pesos. Okay, so as I has already explained it, okay, those amounts is not stable. It can change at any time. Okay, so for buy price, you see that it shows 0.00, and then those who want to sell it, it shows on 40 cities 29 pesos. Those who have the total stock say that they want to sell it 40 cities 29 pesos, but those who want no one has predict the price they want to buy. Okay, no one said that I want to buy stock from total. That's why the buy place has shown 0.00. Okay, so that's how stock also works. Okay, and let me take you also to last stock. Let's move on to gold. Okay, so for gold also is the same. For gold, the previous price is 2 cedis 96 pesos. Okay, so when you see the details, the buy place is 2 cedis 96 pesos and the sell price is 0.00. Okay, so the 2 cedis 90 pesos doesn't mean the 2 cedis 96 pesos is the actual price of gold stock. No, it can increase or it can reduce. The price can reduce or the price can increase. That's how stock work. Okay, so the amount that you see there is not the actual price, it's the historical price. The price that they have sell it already. Okay, that's show it there. So if someone has a stock on gold and the person wants to sell it, it doesn't mean that the person will sell it 2 cedis 96 pesos. Okay, so when you look at the buy price, it shows 2 cedis 96 pesos and the sell is 0.00. Okay, because those who have the stock doesn't predict the amount they want to sell it, but those who want to buy has said that when anyone is selling their stock, this is the amount we are going to buy it. That's why it show on the screen. Okay, so how to make money on ice works. Okay, so when you are buying the stocks, there are some company they don't pay a dividend. Okay, they don't pay a dividend. So when you buy their stock, you are not going to earn anything at the end of the day. So you have to know. Okay, let me take you to Cow Bank. Yes, for Cow Bank, their stock price is 60 pesos. Okay, so let's move on to their dividend history. When you move on to their dividend history, nothing showed there. For the past 2 years, they didn't pay any dividend for their shareholders. Okay, so if you doesn't know this and you buy stock from Cow Bank, you are not going to earn anything at the end of the day. Okay, what will make you earn money from Cow Bank is when you buy their stock and the price increase, then you sell it. That's how you can make money on Cow Bank. But for Cow Bank, they don't pay a dividend. Okay, and let me take you also to different one. Okay, so let me take you to MMH. Okay, MMH. When it opens their stock is very, very, very cheap. Okay, it's very, very cheap. Okay, so when you click on their dividend history, a past 2 years, they didn't pay any dividend to their shareholders. So if you didn't research about it and you buy their stock, you are not going to earn anything at the end of the day. Okay, so let me take you to stocks that pay dividend and you can buy and then sell it at high price and also get interest from it. The first one is MTN stock. Okay, for MTN stock, they pay dividend every 3 months. Yeah, so this is the amount of dividend they are paid its previous years. Okay, for 2020, 28 March 2024, they pay dividend 0.175, and 16th August 2024, they pay 0.065, and this year, this 2025 4th April, they pay dividend 0.24, and 22nd August to 11th September, they paid 0.08 dividend. Okay, so you have to know company that pay a dividend at the end of the day. Okay, so for MTN stock, you can buy and then sell, and you can buy and then sell and get profit from it. And at the end of the day also, you can get dividend at the end of the day. Okay, the same as farm milk. Okay, so when you scroll down, farm milk also pay dividend. Okay, so for farm milk also, 14th May 2025, they pay dividend 14th May to 11th July 2025, they pay dividend 0.08. Okay, and last year 2024, they pay dividend 0.05. Okay, so farm milk also, they is the company they pay dividend at the end of the day, and you can buy and then sell also and get interest from it, and you can also reinvest your dividend that you get it from it. Okay, that one we call it long investment. So for those who want to do a long investment, they can reinvest their dividend, they get it at the end of the day. And let me take you also to GOI. Okay, GOI also, they pay dividend at the end of the day. Okay, so GOI dividend history, you will see that 17th June 2025 to 12th September 2025, they paid dividend 0.058, and last year 4th June 4th June to 15th July 2025, they pay dividend 0.56. Okay, so for Goi also, when you buy their stock, you can sell it, okay, when the price goes higher. And make sure that don't keep your stock, because the price can increase or decrease. Okay, so let's say you buy the stock for cedi 20 pesos and the price increase to, let's say, 4 cedis 34 pesos, sell it. Else, if the price drop, how about cow when you're sharing film at the end of the day? Okay, so make sure when the price goes high, then you sell it and get your dividend at the end of the day. Okay, so these are the two ways to make money on IC What. Before you will invest in any of these company that I have mentioned, make sure to see your financial advisor before, because I'm not a financial advisor. All this information I'm giving is from my experience. Okay, so if you found this video helpful, here is Profit Smile channel. Don't forget to like, share, and if you have any comments, leave it on comment down below. Thank you for watching it, and I'll see you in my next video.